Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved to use a 2023 Audi A1 Sportback Sport Edition, complemented in the stunning district green paintwork. Housing your tronic transmission and petrol engine, delivering 110 PS, making this an ideal nippy city runaround or perfect as a first car. With plenty of top features, including enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights and sitting comfortably on your 16-inch alloy wheels. Top features also include the added protection of power folding wing mirrors, parking sensors, and also plenty of boot space to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials with an extra storage pocket below. And step inside to absolute comfort with a full cloth upholstery, with access in the rear to your fitted ISOFIX points, and in the front a multifunctional leather steering wheel with of course access to your central touch display for further convenience whilst driving. And looking at the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data and audio with the added protection of your cruise control and limiter. Moving across, again, you do have similar access with a wide selection of audio, Bluetooth connectivity, and for a tailored driving experience, access to your Audi Drive Select, and of course your driving assistance features. You do have your manual air conditioning controls just below, followed by your handy power outlets and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.